Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Craig here from Gifters Electrical. Today we're at a church. Pretty straightforward job we've got today. First off, we're going to tackle is this little corner here. Client wants 3 additional double face sockets. We're not going to chase him in. Client's happy he wants them surface mounted, so we'll draw this one out. 1 box there, 2 more either side. It is a ring final circuit, so we'll basically split off and then come back through. That is fed from the board behind me, so the church is being used today, so we only need to lock off the actual office, but see. So I think he said it was Eaton board circuit number 3, so we'll get that locked off. Make sure that we're obviously working safe, and then the other part of the job is to replace these old lights here. As you can see, obviously one's not functioning very well. They're old, they don't like them, so we're going to replace them for LED units. There's actually 9 in here in total. Obviously we're not going to touch that one because it's an emergency. We've got, I think we're replacing 2 here, so these that one there and that one, and then we've got another one upstairs, not that one, that's the emergency, that one there, so we're replacing that one as well. So yeah, nice little job. I'll get you set up and we'll get obviously get the time lapse going and things like that. So yeah, catch you in a bit. Right, we're ready to lock off. So got my Kewtech Loopcheck 107 in there, so that'll tone out, so that'll just continue to beep. Let's have a look. So ground floor office power. It's good to have a obviously circuit chart. So if we switch that off, that is now everything off. Excellent. So just going to lock it off. So I've got one of these, you'll see in a sec, one of these combination jobbies. So we'll tighten this on here. So try and go with one hand. So that just fights on. Then have the old tag, and then that should sit in there like that. And then basically that is not going to come off. As you can hear, the plug, it's not turning on at all, so that's good. So we're safely isolated. So I'll whip the plug off, do a quick voltage check as well, just to make sure that we are okay, and go from there. Right guys, so obviously we've isolated the power to the sockets, so I'm just going to use my proving unit, and I don't know what you guys can see or not. Let's just take that back down so you can see. Right, so lead end first, and then pop it in, and there we go. So proving's fine. Take off the probe itself, then remove the lead. And you do the same when you're actually on, when you're checking your feeds as well. So let's pop you there. Let's see if we can get the height. So I'm going to test line and neutral first. So into my neutral first, then onto my line. So I've got no voltage there whatsoever. Always remove off the line, and then I'm going to do CPC and line, and again nothing there whatsoever. Take it off the line, and then just for my own sanity I will do CPC and neutral, and we should get nothing at all. Excellent. And then we are connected to the back box, so yeah, it's a bit covered in gunk, but it is there. So in terms of safe isolation, I'm completely safe and able to work on these sockets now. So we're gonna bring it out so it's flush with the others. What I'll then do is obviously I'll then daisy chain it through. So one leg that way, one leg that way, and it'll all come back. Anyway, you get what I mean, but make sure it's all nice and tidy. And the final thing to do, I always forget to do it, but the final thing to do when you do your safe isolation is to then reprove that it's okay. So there you go, fine. So there's the final stage of safe isolation done. I always forget to recheck the probe. It's hard to imagine it would have gone faulty in the space of proving it first, doing the test, and then, yeah, but hey, better to do that. Better to be safe than sorry. Right. I'll get you set up and we'll get cracking. Right guys, so the wall curves a bit, so I've got to, that's why I haven't fixed the back boxes in place fully, but they do all line up with the laser level hole wise, so might just have to pack that out or do something with it. So we've basically split the final circuit in the back of this box. So we've taken one feed out to the left and then obviously the other one to the right, so it'll then loop in and then loop out to each socket and then back through to the ring. So the ring will still stay intact. So the next thing is to get everything sleeved up. Obviously I've left, I don't know what other people do, but I've left obviously some additional mechanical protection between the joins there, or between the gaps where the sockets obviously meet. Whether anybody does that, I don't know, but you know, it's just for my own peace of mind. You know, I'd rather do that, and then obviously, yeah, everything's going to fit in there nicely. So I'll put you back on time lapse, and we'll get this made up. So that's the sockets all in place. So yeah, looking pretty tidy there actually, better than having that. I mean, that's what was plugged in, not unraveled. 50 meters, that would have been acting, you know, that would have been getting warm even. So yeah, everything's all back on. So the next thing is to tackle these lights. So I've just been told that they've been delivered to the wholesaler, so I'm going to make a trip, go grab those, and then we'll get you set up. I might grab the tripod actually, now that I've got one, stick up the tripod and stick you on a time lapse. Hi guys, right, so everything's all in, testing's been done. You can probably see from yourself there's a little bit of flicker, obviously for LEDs, so apologies for that. But literally, they're all in. They're all nice and bright, so much brighter in this room compared to what it was before. So we've literally got this one, that one, and obviously the one at the very top of the stairs to do. So yeah, it's like I mean that hurts my eyes. That is orange. It's not warm white, that is orange. So yeah, I'm just going to give a quick tidy up inside the office, move some stuff around, and then I'm going straight into the hallway to carry on. Catch you in a bit. Right guys, that's us done on this job. We've replaced all the lights in the office, the two in the outside hall and upstairs landing. The sockets are all in place, all tests conducted, and they're all absolutely fine. So I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and more content will keep coming.